Hey everyone! Let's discover Rasayel's chatbot. Chatbots have three main components: triggers, nodes, and actions. Let's start with triggers. A flow can be triggered when you receive a WhatsApp message or when you send it proactively. In this example, let's go ahead with a reactive trigger. To get started, simply select a channel and start adding conditions to narrow down your use case. You can add many conditions, from tags to data attributes and time triggers. Let's now talk about nodes. Rasayel has 4 types of nodes: messages, conditions, customer inputs, and HTTP requests. Let's start with messages. They can have up to 10 buttons, can contain headers, footers, attachments, emojis, and even variables. Conditions are a way to filter your flow based on specific properties to be even more accurate. A customer input allows you to ask open-ended questions and save the answer as variable so you can reuse it later in your workflow. And lastly, our powerful HTTP request node, allowing you to seamlessly integrate with your tool or platform of choice. Adding a node to your flow and linking your needs is super easy and intuitive. Last but not least, let's talk about actions. Actions are the key pieces allowing your flow to fit into your internal workflow. From assigning the conversations to your agents or teams to tagging the conversation, you remain in control. And thanks to our many other features such as fallbacks, API triggers, error manager, and many more, you'll be able to create powerful chatbots. And as you know, Rasayel improves continually. So stay tuned for more soon. Thanks for watching.